Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel, C for Coder. Today we will see how to convert a color image into a grayscale image. Before starting the video, there are some prerequisites. Make sure your PC has Python3 and OpenCV library installed in it. The link to download Python3 and OpenCV is provided in the description. OpenCV stands for Open Source Computer Vision, originally designed by Intel. It is a computer vision and machine learning software library consisting of more than 2,500 optimized algorithms. Let us dive into our video. Step 1. Create a folder in your desktop. Name the folder as you like. Open your desired text editor. In my case, I use Notepad++ for editing. And type this Python script. The path of the image you want to convert should be given here. You can download the script by clicking the link provided in the description. After writing the script, save the file with .py extension and save it in the folder. Before we run the script, this is the color image which we are going to convert to a grayscale image. Let us now run the script. This is the output of our Python script. The color image got converted into a grayscale image. This is another example. Using this Python script, you can convert any color image into a grayscale image. If you like this video, please like, share and comment. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel, C for Coder. Thank you.